Welcome to a closer look at the THOR Kitchen freestanding professional 48-inch dual fuel range with dual ovens. This range is designed to enhance your cooking experience with powerful features and a professional touch for your kitchen. With 6 high-performance burners, you get versatile cooking options. The front left and right burners provide an impressive 18,000 BTU for high heat, while the middle dual burners offer 15,000 BTU with a simmer function, allowing you to cook with precision. Check the pros in description below. The rear left and right burners offer 12,000 and 15,000 BTU, respectively, for balanced and even heating. There's also a stainless steel griddle with 15,000 BTU, perfect for grilling or making pancakes. The dual ovens provide 4.2 cubic feet of cooking space per oven, making it ideal for cooking large meals or baking multiple dishes at once. Thanks to the dual fuel technology, you'll get the best of both worlds: gas burners for faster cooking and electric ovens for even, consistent baking results. Designed with a professional-grade stainless steel exterior, this range not only performs exceptionally but looks fantastic in any kitchen setting. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, the THOR Kitchen dual fuel range delivers the power and versatility you need. Check the price in the description below for more details and to take advantage of this amazing product. With its sleek design, incredible burner performance, and spacious ovens, the THOR Kitchen freestanding range is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Its durable construction and professional features make it perfect for both everyday cooking and large-scale meal prep. The powerful burners are designed for quick and precise cooking, while the dual ovens offer the capacity to handle all your cooking needs. Don't miss out on this exceptional range. Check the price in the description below for more details.